guys, in this video I'll talk to you about creating an account with Stripe. Stripe is a payment gateway that I talked about in the previous two videos. So with Stripe, please create an account with your business email and business password with your team members and go to home. Of course, go to home and explore the options that you've got. First of all, I would like you to make sure that viewing test data is on because now we are on the testing mode. So please toggle the viewing test data and enable testing data. So now, how do we add a Stripe to our order? So for example, let me check. Here I placed an item into my shopping cart. So my shopping cart has one item on my store and I can't place an order. I can't pay, in fact. So because I don't have a payment method for my store. So what we need to do is set up a Stripe payment method. For this purpose, before I do that, in fact, there was one student asked me about the currency. Just make sure that your currency, if you are selling worldwide or to a certain destination, please make sure that the country or state is being, for example, the United States of America, if you would like to do in the whatever your store address. So it could be whatever country. If you're in Japan, then you can just type in Japan. Here. But then sell to all countries or sell to countries except or sell to specific countries. You can sell to specific countries. So for example, would like to sell to the 5 big English-speaking countries. So I have United Kingdom, United States of America. Maybe I'm going to add United Arab Emirates because they now speak English more or less. And let's talk about New Zealand as well. In New Zealand, Australia, and what else? In New Zealand, Australia, Canada. Canada is also a big market. All right, so these may be the countries I would like to target, English-speaking countries, and shipping location is shipped to all countries you sell to, yeah. Default customer location, shop base address, okay. Enable tax. Geolocate. Currency options. Now my currency is now in sterling pounds because it was set up to the UK, and now it's United States. So here where you can change your currency and where you put the currency and how you would like to set it up. So it's under Woocommerce, as I told you in class, and it's under settings in Woocommerce. The first thing under settings is the general. Yeah, please take a look at the product tab and take a look at the settings of the Woocommerce here. You have the shop, you have placeholder of images is 4, weight unit, kilogram, dimension, whatever. This is not really the shipping, it's very important. Some of the students reported that they having this shipping options that you can, in fact, you can add a shipping zone. So, for example, you can say for the United States, it will cost you this much. For Australia, it's going to cost you this much. So you will add a shipping zone for each country. Or you can add a flat shipping zone, a flat rate for shipping. So payments. Payments is also interesting to take a look at the payments. So which payments you would like to here. You can add PayPal. So I would like to be able to receive payments with PayPal. So I'm gonna just toggle PayPal. So do this please. You can set up also your PayPal by clicking here, set up my standard PayPal. So enable the PayPal standard and you can pay with your credit card if you don't have a PayPal account, PayPal email, Sandbox if you want. This is for testing payments. Okay. PayPal identity token, cute baby shop, if you have a PayPal business account, of course. Invoice prefix, if you don't want WC, you can, I think, change this to cute baby shop, so that they know that this is cute baby shop. And shipping detail, okay. Capture, always keep it as capture, don't put authorize. URL of your image, it will be nice, in fact, to add your logo here if you have an image of your logo, and you can add the image URL. Okay. Now, if you take a look at your site and refresh, since you enabled PayPal, you can just work with PayPal. So now you only have this option. This is just a sandbox we added. But if you want to get rid of the sandbox so that you can see how... Okay. Nobody, I don't think anybody would be visiting your site and placing an order, really. Maybe because we are in the testing mode. Yeah, because we are in the testing mode. So payments is very important here. PayPal. Let's go back again to payments. We have PayPal on, yeah, enabled, yeah, and save the changes. In Japan, sometimes they have the cash on delivery, check payments, direct bank transfer, but you don't have to do all that. Emails, you can also have here your email account. We talked about this, I believe. We probably didn't. Yeah, this is the emails that the customer will receive when they place an order. You can, in fact, change the email here. What's written in the email, who sends it from, and all that. And this is, you can view the template if you want here. Of different emails. This is if you are integrating into a database, I think. And this is the page setup. Anything that we need with the page setup? Leave this as is. Please leave it as is. We got rid of downloads, remember? On the account setting. This is for your account registration setting. Yeah? Okay. So now that we have the payments, let's go back again to the payments. We don't have credit cards. We cannot accept the credit cards so far. Yeah? So we need to upload a plugin here. So we're going to add a plugin. Go to add a new plugin, here plugin, and Stripe, add Stripe. Add a Stripe plugin. I would like you to add the Stripe plugin for Woocommerce. I think this is the one that I already added. So I already installed this plugin. It takes time, so I already installed it. So I'm going to activate it. So let's activate this plugin together. This is the one that I'm using. It has like high stars and also high number of installations. Usually you install this once. Don't change it if you're comfortable with it. The payment method in general. And this is the Stripe for Woocommerce. So I'm going to go to settings so that I can set it up. So now under Woocommerce, under settings and under payments, I will have a Stripe. let's take a look again. Over here, I'm going to refresh and you will see that I have PayPal and I have many other things. Do you see how the list has become longer? So I have PayPal standard, I have Stripe credit cards, Apple Pay. If you want to toggle it, you can accept Apple Pay. If you want to accept Google Pay, payment request, Afterpay if you want, and many others. Do you see it comes with so many other options? Alipay, for example, Grab Pay, and so on. So if you want to manage the Stripe account, the Stripe settings, here you can go to manage over here, which is the same page that you landed on, which is this page that you landed on when you went to settings on after you installed the plugin. You just need to keep it on the test mode and then click to reconnect or click to connect. This will be a click to connect, and this is, I have two accounts, so this is the account I would like to connect to. I am already logged into this account and it's already viewing test data, so I can see the test data. And here's connect, and basically I will get connected in very easy one-step way. Okay, and that's it. It will pull out your API here and the API keys automatically, and that's it. You just need to save the changes. Let's take a look, refresh, and let's see what else we can. Now we can use either PayPal or either credit cards. So both of them are on the testing mode. The only thing with this plugin, I haven't had the time to read the documentations. So to test a credit card, use the Stripe's test cards. These are Stripe test cards. So this is like a test card that you could use. So you can place an order here on my account. Where is it? Here, right there. I'm going to just put this testing card. Do I need to also enter the, sorry, this here. Maybe with any date is okay, right? Okay. What happened? I need to specify if it's Visa or. A credit card, it's Visa. Yeah. Any future date, any 3 digits. Maybe I need to just make sure that there's a future date. Yeah, it's a 2023, isn't it? What was here? Month and year. So here's month, and here's a 2025. Okay. So why do we have problems here? Oh, I'm sorry. I have problems with my information. So I need to add here whatever country. So sorry. So I need to add all this information, and then here I can just put any future date and then any 3 digits, and I can place an order. So now this order is placed. You see that? Let's try one more order together, or maybe it takes time, so it's all right. So now I'm placing this order. Let's see what happens when Nora places an order. Okay. I'm going to get this page. Thank you for your order. This is your order number. This is the date. I should change this. I should change this to our support at Golden Lotus. Yeah. And this is my billing information. Okay. Now let's check the email of a cute baby shop and see if I receive an email as well. Okay, I haven't received a message. Okay, I was hoping to receive a message because over here with emails, we do have it activated, right? With emails, a new order, we can send an email, enabled. Cancelled order, also enabled. Which email did I put in there? Sorry. Which email did I put as a customer? Did I put an email? Yeah, I did. Here is my email. Is this the email that I entered there as a customer? I don't remember. I'm gonna check it later. Let's not waste your time, guys. I'm sorry. I don't remember if I put this email. Because if I did, I should be able to receive an email, but I'm not receiving any email over here. It's unless it is testing and they don't want to send an email because it's testing. But in any case, you could just go to whatever page here, place an order on whatever item, choose option, okay, add. And now I will have checkout. Oh, come on. And now this is, I want to check out, and this is my information. Do I have an email here? Oh yeah, I put the email, I put this email as an email address of the customer. Okay. And now let's try another card. You can copy the card here actually. Here. And let's put the same date 2024 and whatever number and place an order. Alright. Now I have 2 orders placed on the testing mode. Good. But unfortunately I'm not receiving an email. Okay. Again, I'm not receiving. Oh, here. No. It shouldn't be actually WordPress. In any case, this is not the topic of today. Let me just viewing testing data. Here is the testing data for today. So, as you can see, because I'm in Japan, everything is in Japanese. It gives you here the dashboard, the new customers, the dispute activity, the net volume, gross volume, successful payment, and high risk payment. And this is in the past 7 days. And this is today's activity. I would like to see new customers. Why 0? We just had two customers. Here we go. Oh, okay. So we have 1 new customer. So it's coming. The information is coming. It's one new customer because it's the same email, the same information, right? So how many transactions? Successful payments, it's 2. So it's the same customer, which is me, and this is the total amount. This is the balance that I have. And the payout is 2000, what? This is the estimated future payouts. That is quite interesting. Yeah, let me check something very quickly with you. Wanna see the difference between this amount? I'll show you here. So I really would like to manage these and see why recipients of a new order. Why is it Cute Baby Shop necessarily, but they didn't receive anything. Like Cute Baby Shop did not receive anything. It should be the customer, in fact. Always, almost always, it should be the customer. It shouldn't. New order, also the customer needs to be receiving, and Cute Baby Shop, or yeah, let's say it should be also my business account. The name Golden Lotus Jewelry. From address is here. You can put support at Golden Lotus Jewelry.com. Receive email notifications with additional guidance to complete the basic store setup and helpful insights. Customize emails. Save. Let's customize the emails and see what we can do. Okay. This is what happens. Okay. Creative mail. Okay. Thank you. I'm gonna go back to Woocommerce. Okay, guys. So this is it. It's not very difficult. So now you can process orders. Let's take a look where the orders are stored. Here on Stripe, you have seen where are they stored. They are stored here on the dashboard on viewing testing data, and these are payments here. So you have different orders coming from different testing orders, and these are I have historical orders because I'm connected to other site. And over here I have 2 successful on orders on testing that we just placed right now together. So you can actually click on the order and see more details for the order and the transaction and all information. What else? You can also go to viewing testing data. Sorry, go to home. Sorry, for the dashboard. So you can go to home for the dashboard. Yeah, and you can take a look. These are the payments. You can take a look at the payments and the disputes if you have any payouts, So we have payouts for this bank account. This is a previous business bank account. What? These are test data. Yeah, test data. I'm sorry. Thanks. Oh, thanks to the universe. It's test data. So these are paid on the test data. August 23. This account is not supposed to be active, guys. This is why I was surprised. So on August, on October, on December. So I have a schedule, as you can see. Okay. What else? All transactions. Here I can see my all transactions and I can filter them if you want. And then here is balances. This is the balance in now. Right now I have 2,241. Now let's check in Woocommerce. Where do I see my orders? So where can I process my orders? So over here in Woocommerce we have home. Let's check first home and then check orders. so that you can see what you get. Welcome to your WooCommerce store online headquarters. Okay, personalized inbox full of relevant advice. Very good. Good data leads to smart business decisions. I agree. So orders I have two. You see, now I set up my dashboard or my home page. This dashboard, I have two orders, as you can see. Okay, so this is order 1, order 2, 7 minutes ago, and 11 minutes ago. This order is $3. Yeah, it's in dollars, not in Japanese. So it's 3.38, and this one is 18.11. So it's a total 21.49. Now I can manage all orders here. This is all nonsense, yeah, if you want. So today you have two orders. This is the much money, $21.49. I just told you right now this number is $21.49. Week to date, month to date, so you can see today and the week, previous week, and all that. And now I would like to manage my orders. So I can go to orders here, and I have two orders, as you can see, or I can just go to manage orders on the dashboard, the home. So this is manage orders, and this is the same thing here when you go to orders. So this is processing. This is processing, and for example here, bulk action, what do I need to do? I need to change the status to processing, or change the status to on hold, or change the status to complete. This is quite interesting. Now, let me create another video maybe for later. I'm going to show you how to automatically with a click of a button you can process all these orders. Of course, not without cost. You need to get a plugin that you can with a plugin that you could the AliExpress plugin that it's actually a paid plugin that you can process orders in one click. Over here, what you need to do is actually, let's see, do we have time? So this is the first order. Take a look at the first order. You go inside, make sure everything is okay. You can refund the order here if you want to refund the money. So let me refund this order, and I'm gonna refund everything. Refund amount is a 3.38. Reasons for refund, this is optional, so I can refund these manually, or I can refund with the Stripe credit card. I'm going to refund with the Stripe credit card. So are you sure you wish to process this refund? Yes, I am sure. So I'm going to process this refund. If I want to do refund, let me show you how to do this. And now this is where you can process the refund. And over here, wait a minute, well, this is not very important right now. So you can actually select here it's not very important right now. I don't want to get you into too much details on this page. So order actions here, you can just email an invoice to the customer, or an order detail to the customer, or yeah, and this is update. If you want to do like that, so for example, an update, so that you can tell the customer that you got a refund. You see, so now it's a change from processing to refund. This is change from processing to refund. Order refunded in Stripe, amount is this much. Okay, so these are what really happened. Now let's go back to orders. I have one order left, still processing. So this is refunded. Maybe the customer did whatever for refunding it. So now this order, I'm gonna set it to complete, for example. So reviewing all this, see what this is the status. You can put it as canceled or as completed or as failed. If you put it as completed, this means that you actually processed it. What does that mean? This means that you need to place an order here. So you're going to place an order manually. So what will happen is you will need to go to usually do automatically. This is because you don't have a very good plugin, but it's placing an order manually and it's through dropship.me. So you need to go all the way to the product page. It's too much work. You're going away to the product page and place an order on Ali Dropship. Who has time for this? So this is why I don't use the free plugins and I use Ali Dropship plugin. So this order is already placed and already completed. Anyway, so this order now is closed, completed. So you can see here refunded and completed. Now let's see if I have anything that I would like to add in the screen. Maybe actions. Let's add actions. So if you add actions here onto the screen, so you can see the status here. Where is the action? Yeah. Oh, I can. Okay. We choose an action. If you chose an action here, for example, and updated it, hopefully it will show. In any case, how you process your orders, this is the way that you process your orders. So you process your orders manually because you don't have the plugin, the paid plugin. Otherwise, you will be able to process the orders with a click of a button very easily, and you can just update the orders. It will be automatically also updated. Now let's take a look at the refund and what happened to our balance here. It will drop because we had the refund, you see? So we have the refund, so it will drop, the amount will be dropped. Let's take a look at configuring payouts. This is where you have the payout schedule. This is the automatic every week on Friday, or every week, or manual. So usually we put it every week or every month, depending how you want to manage your transactions. If you don't have time to you would like to do it every month, then you can do it every month and every first of the month. So this way you would have payouts scheduled every first of the month to process your accounting. Okay, so this is it, guys. I'm wondering if I can show you just before the end of this, before here, I would like to see if I can log in easily, if I still remember the password here. I can log into this account and show you here. I have 6 orders, for example, on this account. Some of them failed, some of them, this is failed, orders, because it's under testing. These are also testing, and these are all processing. So what I'm going to do is all these processing ones, I'm going to just check them, and wait a minute. Yeah, I can actually just go to processing here if I have so many orders, and I'm going to check them all, and I'm gonna change the status here to complete for all dates, and that's it. Apply, and these are all gonna be processed. So now let's see all orders. So this is how do you use a bulk action, and this is already completed. You can still refund it if you want, and this is how we place an order automatically. This is something that you don't have in the previous account. This is what I wanted also to show you. So I wanted to show you how to do the bulk, and I wanted also to show you that here I have place order automatically, and here you can get the tracking as well. Why is that so? Because I have the Ali dropship Woo. With Ali dropship Woo, this plugin, you pay about $60 with the discount, with the coupon, and with it you can place an order automatically. The only problem with that is that you have to go into each and every one, and then you can additional message for supplier. I already have a message for a supplier. I said we are drop shipping. Please do not include any invoices or promo materials into the package. This is a gift, no invoice. And here in Chinese, I wrote it as well. No advertisements, please. And this is in Chinese. I am drop shipping. This says I'm drop shipping in Chinese, and I don't want any marketing material or anything. And then you just continue, and you can fulfill your order. You need to log in now. So you are not automated authorized at AliExpress because it's in the testing. Yeah. So here you will be able to automatically, with a click of the button, automatically just place the order automatically and complete it, or put it as pending until you make sure that you get the tracking also number, and give the tracking number to the customer. So there's still a little bit of work in the background. Like, you need to process the orders, and with a very cheap free a plugin as the one that we have in class this semester, you would actually need to go to AliExpress website. On that page of the product, place an order, put and log in all the information of your customer, make sure you don't make any mistakes, place the order, and hope that and forward also the tracking number, and hope that everything goes well. So this is it for this video. I'm sorry if it took a bit longer. It's just spontaneous. I didn't know that I'm gonna I didn't plan to show you all the way until we process the orders, but I think it's just important. All right, guys, thank you so much. I hope this was very beneficial for you, and shows you why we pay money for plugins as well. Thank you so much.